Mommy, it's your 70th birthday. We wish you good health, happy life, and more birthdays to come. Mommy, sa ngayong darating na 70th birthday mo, wala man kami dyan. Pero alam nyo rin na kami ay laging nandito para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal namin kayo ni Daddy. Kung saan ang mabayad sarili nyo, magkakasama pa rin tayo sa mga habang panahon. Mommy, happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Wishing you a good health, long life, and happy life. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Mami La. Tapos, belated Happy Mother's Day natin. Sorry kung hindi kita nabati sa Mother's Day. Pero mahal na mahal kita. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you sa pag-aalaga mo sa akin lagi.
Auntie, happy 70th birthday contigo. God bless and stay healthy. See you soon, Auntie.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Ampaling. Wish you a good health, long life, and lasting happiness.
Birthday, Ma'am Ampaling. Wish you all the best. I love you and miss you. Bye.
Paring, we miss you and blow out.
Paring. Happy birthday, Kat Paring. We really miss you, Paring.
Your blow out.
Paring, blow out ka na, Paring ha. Manjikat kung juday ka na kami na anda kami ka na juday. Manjikat siya kung juday ha, Paring. Okay, once again, happy birthday, Paring. We miss you. I love you, Paring.
Hello, Ma'am Amparing. Good afternoon. Good evening, Ma'am Amparing. Happy celebration of your birthday.
Of your
Kwanto
67.
anyo ya ka, Ma'am Amparing? Yan miss gad kami kuntigo. Sana takito na sambuanga akita min kanamon si Libra, hindi lang aliliwos gayod. Maskin man kami mga pobre lang aki na sambuanga, pero at least we can give you all our blessings and hugs
And kisses.
Na Ma'am Amparing, we miss you. We hope that you have a vibrant
That you have a good fight.
and good health and always taking care of your body so that you can also take good care of your mga apos or grandchildren. We hope that you will be going home here in Zamboanga to celebrate with us in your 70th birthday. Okay. So, happy birthday, God bless, and good health. Kanta pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the healing of the Lord be upon you. We will wish you the best of the world. Happy birthday, Ma'am Amparing.
Happy birthday. May you have more birthday to come. Pwede yan?
Paring. Ansi na kita, Paring. Hanggang greeting siya lang kayon. Habla wala ka happy birthday na blow dali. Na ka dali puntas mi na habla o. Hindi lang po juday. Paring. Happy birthday, Paring. Miss you, Paring. Paring, sorry ka ng guardian, Paring.
Ngay maya.
Ni guardian, Paring. Ni magatagara. Ni magayon muerto ya. Una pa ko na coordinator ya Moody. But then again, Paring, happy birthday. We love you so much, Paring. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mamila. We love you.
Hey, kumare. Happy birthday, Mamila. God bless you. See you soon. Hi, happy birthday.
Hi, Amparing. Today is your special day. I hope this day will bring you peace, blessings, and happiness to you and your family. Thank you for being part of your journey for so many years in teaching profession.
Happy birthday, Lola!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.